What are you doing? I'm
Almost got it.
afraid you're gonna be pushing blood again. Ew.
Almost.
Coming.
Who that?
Is that big enough?
Mo, what are you doing?
Let's see how that one goes. I could grab that big one.